Hello, today we are going to learn how to open the software Adobe Photoshop for the first time. There are different ways to do this activity. We are going to learn all of these. The first way is you are in the desktop, you go to the very top menu on the left, you select Go, then Application, you click on this, and then you double click Adobe on the name Adobe Photoshop, and then again double click. If you need to close properly the software, you go here to Photoshop and then quit Photoshop. The second way to open the software, to go in the bottom menu that is called Dock in an Apple computer. You click on Applications here. You find the name of the software Adobe Photoshop. You keep pressed and then you click on this Adobe Photoshop. Great. Then Photoshop, quit Photoshop. The third way is to go in the top menu on the right. We select the search icon and we type the name of the software. Then we click on the name of the software. If we click on this red circle, we are going to close only one window of the software. To close the software in the right way, we select the name of the software here, Photoshop, and then quit Photoshop.